Modern rolling mills are generally of high speeds, consist of latest technologies, and comprise of a large number of continuous mill stands. For these high-tech mills, mill utilization is an important factor to be monitored. A large portion of mill delays can be avoided by minimizing manual intervention and adopting automatic material handling machines. 3-high roughing mill stand forms the major bottleneck towards increased mill speed of a rolling mill. The roughing mill is generally used for heavy reduction of charge. Conventionally, after a pass rolling, the charge is transferred to the next pass using a guide-through manual intervention. The manual handling is done by a tongsman who usually holds the rear end of the hot charge and enters it into the next pass. Delays in the process of charging also sometimes lead to cooling of the charge, which affects the machine's life. Manual handling of charge is an unsafe process which can be a threat to one's life. Automatic material handling system is the energy-efficient alternative for manual handling system. For automatic handling of hot charge in the 3-high roughing mill stand, a Y table or tilting table are used. Y tables are usually used for material weight of less than 150 kg. A Y table is a steel fabricated structure in the shape of a Y. The structure is made of roller conveyors. A metal lid is used in the Y joint, which allows only one-way travel of the charge. The charge, after rolling from the bottom middle rolls, passes through the rear end of the table. The metal lid falls once the charge has completely passed through. During return, the metal charge passes through the top end, thus transfer of billet to the next pass is facilitated. A Y table is common in TMT mills, wherein in one side of the stand, Y tables are installed and on the opposite side, drop tilters are present. Tilting machine is quite similar to Y table and used for higher cross sections, especially in structure mills. Here the steel structure fitted with roller conveyor is mounted to a motor. The structure is operated by an operator, and on his instructions the entire steel structure moves up and down as per requirement. Repeaters are steel fabricated pathways connected between two consequent rolling stands. The repeaters are fitted to the guides and allow free movement of hot charge between two rolling mill stands. Twisting of charge, if required, can also be facilitated by the design of a repeater. Automatic material handling system like Y table, tilting table and repeaters contribute towards increasing the mill utilization. To understand the cost benefit, let us consider a 10 TPH rolling mill. With manual handling, the plant was about to produce 8 TPH every hour. With automatic material handling system, the same plant is able to produce 8.5 TPH. The increase in productivity leads to an annual saving of power by 2,10,526 units. Thus, monetary savings of 14,70,000 rupees can be achieved. The investment required for installation of Y table and repeater is approximately 10 lakh rupees, which can be recovered in 8 months. Other benefits include increased productivity, safer operation, reduced delays, and higher mill utilization.